Use all your efforts even when the possibilities play against you. Arnold Palmer. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss present continuous tense. In this class, we are going to discuss what is present continuous tense, in what situation you can use this tense to express your thoughts, and you can see some examples of present continuous tense. Let's get into the lesson. Introduction. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are taking place at the time of speaking. So, the easiest way to learn this tense is to carry out actions. Now take a pen and notebook and start writing on the notebook. Now say, I'm writing. The action you are doing at present is writing. Next example, keep walking around the house. Say, I'm walking. You are walking around the house now. You are doing the action now. So, you can express this action in present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is formed with the present form of the verb, to be plus the present participle of the main verb, that is, verb plus ing form. Now, we are going to discuss the present continuous and negative form. Pick up a book, read the book. Say, I am reading a book. I am not reading a newspaper. At present, you are reading a book. You are not reading a newspaper. This sentence, I am reading a book, is a positive sentence, and I am not reading a newspaper is a negative sentence. Look at this example. Priya is looking at me. At present, Priya is looking at me. Priya is not looking at Vani. She is not looking at Vani. This is a positive sentence in present continuous tense, and this sentence is in negative. And one more example for you. Jerry is listening to me. Jerry is not listening to Jonah. At present, Jerry is listening to me. He is not listening to Jonah. This is a positive sentence and this is a negative sentence in present continuous tense. Now we are moving on to interrogative form, that is, question form. How can you ask question in present continuous tense? There are two forms. One is yes or no question and the other one is WH question. X and Y are talking. X is asking, are you listening to me? Yes, I am listening to you. Are you listening to me is a yes or no type question in present continuous tense. The answer can be either yes or no. Yes or no. Next example, what are you doing? You have used what in this question. So, it is a WH question. The answer is I am listening to you. Next example, are you reading a book? Yes, I am reading a book. If you are not reading a book, you can say no, I am not reading a book. And the next one, what are you doing? This is a WH question. I am looking at you is the answer for this question. Now again the same question, what are you doing? Now I am reading a book. The answer is I am reading a book. What are you reading? I am reading the newspaper. So far in this class we have discussed present continuous tense, its examples. Positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence. In interrogative we have discussed yes or no type question and WH question. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.